Welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm on the Harbor Freight website to show you their coupons for their super deals September 2nd through the 14th. So let's jump right in. Fortress has this 2-gallon 135 PSI ultra quiet oil-free job site air compressor for $159.99. That's $30 off. And guys, I want to show you deals that are going to be like at least 30% off or more, just to kind of save your time. Now from Spectrum, these are an HVLP gravity-fed air spray gun with side fan control for $89.99. This is going to be $40 off. It was $129, and you can actually get up to 2 with this coupon. And you can see that in the top right. You can see limit 1 through 4 generally. Now from Banks, they have this 2-in-1 flooring air nailer and stapler. $30 off here. It was $159, and this is great if you just need something to put in some hardwood and you don't necessarily want to go all out and buy one of the $500, $600 staplers or nailers. And guys, if you do find this content helpful, go ahead and leave a like and a comment down below. I would appreciate it. Next from Hardy is this goatskin leather riding work gloves. This comes in all different sizes. $6.99 is 30% off. Was $9.99, and they're saying this gives you more flexibility with the goat skin, whereas cowhide it's a little bit stiffer. But of course this comes in all sizes here. From Central Pneumatic, you're getting this air compressor starter kit for 33% off. It's $11.99. It was $17.99, and you're getting 20 different accessories here for your air compressor. If you just have a new air compressor, you just need a little kit. From Daytona, you're getting this 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. So you're getting 2 jack stands in all these different colors. $29 was $49, so this is going to be actually 40% off. I really like the purple, but I also like the green as well. But let me know down in the comments. This is from Pittsburgh. It's a 3-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. $30 off. It was $269. It's now $239. And this can lift up to 6,000 pounds in only 3 pumps. Next from Ames Instruments is this 12-in-1 infrared laser thermometer. This is 34% off. It's $14.99. And this is great. It has a nice backlit display, and you can kind of pinpoint heat leaks, or even in automotive work, you can look at spark plugs and just see if there's a parasitic drain from the spark plugs themselves. So next up, we have this 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack from Pittsburgh. This is going to be $14.99 and 46% off. That's a pretty high percentage off, and they're having where you can get up to 3 off at this price. It says it has an extension screw to lift up to 8,000 pounds at 14 inches. Pittsburgh has a 6-inch magnetic parts holder at $199. It was $399, so this is half off at 50%, and you can get up to 4 at this price. The cool thing, they're saying you can even work upside down with this, or even slap it onto the side as it's pictured onto your workstation. This is a serpentine belt toolkit for $14.99. This is 31% off. And this is going to help release tension on the serpentine belts with the spring-loaded idler pulleys here. And again, you can get 3 at this price. Now I haven't seen this before. This is from Badland. It's a 3-ton off-road jack for $329.99. This is $50 off. Was $379. And this is saying it can lift full and mid-sized trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and UTVs on all kinds of terrain. It said it can lift it up to 29 1/16 inches with the adjustable locking height extension. So let me know if you guys have seen this before. I have not seen it. Next from Hallmaster, you've got this 833-pound capacity 2-inch by 20-foot ratcheting tie down. This is $899, 35% off, and you can get up to 4 at this price. It was $13.99. So of course, if you have some heavy loads in the back of your truck, or even in a U-Haul, you just need to secure some items down in the back, you can use these. Next from Hardy, you've got these latex cleaning gloves. If you have like a cleaning business, you can pick a few of these up at 33% off at $199. They were $299. So a pretty good discount for these here. These are going to protect your hands against all kinds of chemicals. This is a cable splicing kit next at 33% off at $9.99. It was $14.99. And this has the cable cutting scissors where you can cut telephone wire and strip insulation, as well as the little knife here. And it all fits in that little kit where one scissor sits on the front and then the knife sits in the back of it. These are some 24-inch bolt cutters at $13.99. It's 30% off. It was $19.99. And these are going to give you some nice leverage to cut rods and even do some shelving work. Now for $31.99, this is 20% off. It was $39. This is a Pittsburgh tool set case. It's a 130-piece set. The thing I like about this is it has everything kind of for like getting started with. If you have a new apartment and you don't need a huge toolkit, this can be like your DIY type toolkit, something to put in the back of your truck or your car in case your friend calls and you need to go over and you just need something to bring rather than a whole big toolkit. Now from Braun, this is a UV leak detector. It's a blacklight LED flashlight for $4.99. This is 37% off. Again, above that 30% threshold here for this video. You can get up to 4 at this price, and you can kind of look for stain detection, pest control, as well as leak protection with this. And this has about 4.1 stars out of 5. This is a steel handle lopper. If you're going to cut some branches, you just need one, yours just broke or something. $10.99, 26% off, so not above that 30% threshold, but I think it's still a pretty good deal. It was $14.99, and it has the durable steel construction they're saying. Next up from Warrior, they have these 3-inch screwdriver bit sets, a 36-piece set. It's $7.99, it's 38% off. And these are the most commonly used fasteners here. Originally they were $12.99. Now if you need something a little step up, this is the Hercules impact driver bit set. It's a 45-piece set. At $18.99, it was $22.99, so 17% off. I just think this was a decent deal, and you can get a few at this price. You can get up to 3 here. Next up from Bauer is this 5-amp 14-gauge metal shear. If you need to cut some sheet metal, this is something you can use for sure. 30% off at $44.99. It was $64. And this is saying you can cut metal as thick as 14 gauge without deforming using this powerful sheet metal shear. Next up from Franklin, you've got these 18-inch by 12-inch 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dollies. $8.99, it was $12.99, so these are going to be 30% off. And now this is a Hawkbill flip knife, 35% off at $8.99. These are nice for pull cuts and piercing, so if you're going to be cutting like carpet or need to be working around some weird angles, this could definitely be a nice knife for you. And again, it's going to be 35% off, and you can get up to 4 at this price. From US General, you're getting these magnetic cup holders in blue, 30% off at $8.99. These come in red, gray, black, blue as pictured, and green. Next up from Hercules, you're getting this 16-inch tool bag with 6 different pockets for only $9.99. It was $16. So this is going to be 41% off, and you can get 4 at this price. You can fit a decent amount here. They've got that nice shoulder strap here, and these are all the tools that it's showing it can fit in it. So a decent kind of small to medium sized bag. Next up from Yukon is this 65-inch multi-purpose wall mount tool, or tool organizer. $9.99. This is 33% off. It was $14.99. This is great for your garage or basement if you just need something to get some tools off the ground, especially good for like shovels, things like that. Now guys, I hope this video helped. They do have some dollar day deals you probably want to check out. But again, I just wanted to review some of the better deals going on for their super coupons.